Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set app theme in the Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in the Drive files. From here you just have to go into the top left corner, tap on the three lines, then tap on settings, and then on choose theme. And here we can select the theme of the app, either to be dark mode, light mode, or system default, which means that it's going to use the system settings. So for example, if you have a dynamic theme which changes based on the sunrise and sunset, then it's going to follow that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.